Hi everybody, this is Robert here again with more Revit training. In this exercise, we're going to use shared coordinates. I'm going to show you how to use shared coordinates. So we're going to link an AutoCAD file, we're going to set the coordinates, and we're going to set a project norm. Every project has a project base point and a survey point. Although they might not be visible in all views because visibility settings are view clippings. It cannot be deleted. This project base point defines order 000 of the project coordinate system. It also can be useful in positioning the building on the same site for locating design elements of the building during construction. Spot coordinates are spot observations that reference the project coordinate system are displayed relative to this point. A survey point represents a known point in the physical world, such as a geodesic survey marker or benchmark, or whatever they use. Survey point is used to correctly orient the building geometry in another coordinate system, such as the coordinate system used in civil engineering application. So we're going to start here. We're going to open. We're going to go to New Architectural Template. We'll say OK. Okay, now, so we want to go into a site plan so we can see that base point, and there it is. So now we want to link in an AutoCAD drawing, so we're going to go Insert tab. We want to link CAD. I have an AutoCAD drawing called Import Site. This could be a site drawing with contours in it. So I'm going to preserve the colors, and I want to auto detect. Set the import image to auto detect. Okay. And we also want to set this to auto center to center. And we want to orient to view, and it's going to be on level 1. And we want to correct lines that are slightly off, and then we'll say open. So there's our linked file from AutoCAD, which shows our contours. Now, we want to select the imported file, this AutoCAD drawing, and over in the Properties dialog box, we want to select Not Shared, and we want to select Acquired the shared coordinate system from the imported drawing. So we're acquiring this coordinate system from the survey drawing, which is a known survey that you would use. Now, right here, it says record selected instance as being at that position, being at position. So right here, we want to select change. Now here, we changed this, and then right here, we want to select for the location. And right here, it says location, weather, and site. Okay, so we want to activate the location tab right here. And then we want to internet mapping and site, and then you just click right here. It won't be showing originally, but just click right in this area. And let's change this to actual location. So this building, I got this from Elise Moss Architecture Certification 2018. Oh, sorry, 800 Bowling Street. This is in Oakland, California. This little comma here. CA. Space zip code 94607. So on your survey point, you want to add these coordinates to the location where your survey was taken from. I can email you this file if you like, so just put it in my box, and I'll be happy to do it for you. Send it to you. So from that point, we click OK. Then we'll go continue to the address. Okay, wait a second. I'm sorry. Change this. And okay. I'm sorry. We had to hit location here. There's 800 Fallon Street. Okay. We change here. This location here. Sorry about this. And there's 800 Fallon Street. This is search. Okay. We just missed the search button, so sorry about that. I missed that. But that's what you do after you put it in the Fallon Street, you select search. And then we'll say okay. Okay, now next thing we do here, we'll press reconcile. And then as you can see out here, the survey point and the base point, they shifted. So now what we want to do, we want to select this base point here. This is our project base. So let's tab into this. And we got it. So now once you know you have it, you'll see these coordinates placed. So we want to change the angle to true north. So the angle to true north, let's say this is 90 degrees or whatever you want to have. And then we'll press apply. Now notice the building shifted. Notice that, see it shifted. So we get this type of a configuration. So now what we want to do, we want to so now we want to move this, the imported file. So let's select it and let's just take the move command and let's place this right here on our base point. There. Now you get this message, it's a warning, but we can say okay there and ignore that. Okay, now we have our project on our base point, and then we want to pin this guy in so it doesn't move on us. So let's select it and hit pin. Okay, now next thing we want to do, we want to go in and link in our Revit file. So let's go to the insert, link Revit. I also have this file for you if you want it. Where is it? There it is. I share coordinates, and we'll click manual base point. So we want to place this in a location. So let's press open. Now in manual base point, you'll see that I'll have it. There it is. So let's just select it. And let's just put it right out here. Let's just put it right there. Okay, and there's our survey point. Now let's select the align tool for the modify ribbon. So let's go up here and this one modify and align. Now let's align to this point. Let's go take this grid line 1 and shift it over. And then what we want to do is we want to move our, let me cancel out of that. So let's select our link Revit file. Let's just move this up to this point here. And say that's the point. And let's move this up to our base. Bam. And there you go. That's pretty much all you have to do there. Okay, now let's shut this down and let's activate the north elevation here. See what we got. So this is what you're gonna have. So now level 1 and 2 are in the host project. The other levels are shown in the link model. So this is the host and these are the link models. Okay, so let's activate our site plan again. And we're back in our site. And so all you have to do now is go into our Manage tab and select coordinates. And go down to Report Shared Coordinates. And then let's select our project base point. I think this should probably be here, but let's select it. I selected this point, so let's pick it. And there, wait a second, sorry. I gotta pick it up. There it is. Nope. I'm gonna go to coordinates. Report coordinates. We'll tab in there to that. There it is. And those are our coordinates right there. So that's the elevation. That's our east and west and our north and south. I probably should have moved that over a bit. Because I think I want that base point to be, but that's how we do it. That base point could probably be in another location, but that's basically how you do shared coordinates in Revit using linked uh, Revit model and a AutoCAD drawing. So hey folks, thank you for watching. I mean, this point could be anywhere. It probably should be here. And so what we can do here, you can just simply do this. So let me select our link model, this one. And let's move this guy. Let's hit move. And let's move it to this point here. Yeah, I think I like that location a little better. Actually, I don't, because I want to be right on the grid for construction sake purposes. So let's move this again. Let's move it right from here to this point. Oh, I don't want to do that either. Let's move it again. So let's move it. Let's move it right on the corner here. Let's move it right there. That's a good location. Yeah. So then we select our base point again. After we hit the Manage tab, go to Coordinates, Import Shared Coordinates, select our base point, tab to it, and there are our coordinates. 466, 221, and 126. So hey folks, thank you for watching this video. If you like it, or if you want questions, or you want to spouse, please email me. Thanks again. Bye.